Now I show you how to assemble the UAV and sight. From now you can see packing in battery and the UAV both in the package box. Take out the tail. And then the main wing. The main body. And the left wing and the right wing. Now is the main arm with multi-rotor. Now we install the multi-rotor to the main wing. Is quick release. There is right and left. Now we take out the battery to put into the body. Here will the fix on the body. You can see this is to connect with the battery. And now these two battery serial connect. Then the connect to the fixed wing supply, power supply. And this one is for multi-rotor battery. We fix it on the main battery. Okay, now we install the main body. You can see here is the quick release fix on the body. Now we install the main lift when it is also quick release connector. Try to win. Now the tail. Also, there is quick release connector.打开这个就是。Okay, this is full assembly.